Hello students. So in this video we'll be talking about the vacant seats notification released by NLU Ranchi, right, which is NUSRL, right. So you can track the notification regarding vacancies of all national law universities at a single place. Along with that, you get to see the admission link or the application link in the same page. So we have made a dedicated page on our website lawprep.in. You can search for lawprep.in space vacant seats in Google, and the first website you can find lawprep.in/2023 vacant seats, right. In there, if I click at the notification says that it was released on 22nd of June 2023, right. In this regard, if we look at the number of vacant seats, for all India category general there are 7 seats vacant, for OBC all India 3 seats, for SC 2 seats, whereas for Jharkhand domicile general Jharkhand domicile there is 1 seat which is vacant, and for backward caste there is 1 seat vacant, right. Now let's have a look at the fee payable in this regard, right. For the application you need to pay a 500 rupees fee which is not refundable, non-refundable, right. Who all can apply? Everyone can apply provided they fulfill the eligibility criteria, which is they should have appeared for the Clat exam. At the same time, if you're claiming any of the reservation seat, right, then you have to provide the certificate to that extent, which is SC, ST, OBC. Then you have to present the category certificate, ST category, SC category certificate, right. Now the last date for application is 24/6/2023, 4 p.m. that is 1600 hours. Make sure that you fill the application before this particular time. For any vacancy in future also, right, only those students will be considered who fill this application before 24/6/2023, right. A merit list will be drawn on the same line on 26 June 2023. Remember, this is not a single stage of vacancy. So there will be multiple stages. After this merit list is released, there may be students who are not willing to join, or they may have appeared in multiple merit list of different NLUs, then they would drop out. In that case, another vacancy would come, but then you cannot fill the application form again, right. Those students who have filled the application before 24/6, the way I am saying, the procedure I am saying, then they would be eligible for second or third round of vacancies as well, right. Now let's have a look at the application form. So in the notification itself you can find the link to the website, whereas from our website as well you can go to the application link. Once you get into the application link, you can provide all the required details and press on I agree button and submit this. Once you submit this, so required to fill the mandatory things. Let me fill that first. So once you fill this all details, you can press on submit after clicking on I agree button, right. You will be taken to the next page. The next page is about the confirmation, right. Just give me a second. The SAP is the specially abled person. So if you are specially abled person, you have to click yes, otherwise you have to click in no, right. So once you finish this, you will be taken to next page where you have to subject yourself to further confirmation, right. Once you check your application ID and application name, confirm it, then pay now, click on pay now and pay the fees of 500 rupees, right. Once you complete this, you are successfully registered for the vacant seats right now, as well as any vacant seats that fall vacant, any seats that fall vacant in future as well, right. That's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. If there is any query, you can add that in the comment section. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.